So joy does not come from out there. Joy comes continuously from the awareness of the presence of the source of your own existence. Nothing can create its own existence, which is the real stumper for the atheist, who has to resort to the Newtonian paradigm, which is very weak. Now, nothing can explain its own existence, because existence comes out of the unmanifest as manifest as a consequence of potential becoming actual, which is where human intention, the Heisenberg principle, plays a part. It's by our intention, by our saying yes, that the potential becomes the actual, and that's how the whole level of consciousness of all of mankind. So when we collectively get together and pray and do all we can to advance our own consciousness, in effect what we're doing is not cause and effect. You're not, by what you're doing, causing some poor little kid in some part of the world to suddenly benefit by your prayer. Now, what's happening is collectively we raise the level of the sea. By raising the level of the sea, every ship and boat in the sea is lifted effortlessly. So as our good intentions, our prayers, our way of life. Because prayer is a way of being in the world. People think of prayer as, you read it off here, Dear God, I hope for some kind of a recitation. Really profound, powerful prayer is by what you are to the world. What you are every moment to the world is your prayer. You become the prayer. And that profoundly lifts the level of the sea.